Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Bilkis Ainun Haliza. I'm from Al-Bahri School, Bantar Kaum. I want to deliver my speech with the title, The Future is in Our Hands. The Honorable all the juries of the contest, esteemed headmaster and the teachers, and my dearest friends. First of all, let us give thanks to God for His grace that we can gather at the event Mandubes Smart Competition 2025 in good health. We don't forget to pray to our esteemed Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam who has guided us to become better human beings. It is a profound honor to stand today to discuss a topic of immense importance, one that defines our very existence. The future is in our hands. This is not just a catchy phrase, it is a fundamental truth and a powerful call to action. The future is not a predetermined destination waiting for us. It is a path we forge with every choice we make today. Every single action, every decision, every commitment, no matter how small, contributes to the world we will inhabit tomorrow. Think about the power of your daily choices. When you choose to learn, you are investing in a future where problems can be solved with knowledge. When you choose to act with kindness and empathy, you are building society rooted in humanity and understanding. When you choose sustainability, you are safeguarding the planet for generations yet to come. We must move past the mindset of being passive observer. We are the architect of the future. The responsibility for climate action, for promoting justice, for innovating solutions rests squarely on our shoulders. But this power comes with a great responsibility. We must be intentional in our action. First, we must educate ourselves. Knowledge is the compass that guides us to become toward better decisions. Second, we must collaborate. No great challenge is overcome by an individual alone. We need unity and collective effort. Third, we must act with courage. It takes bravery to choose the harder right path over the easier wrong one. The future is not a gift, it is a masterpiece waiting to be painted. Let us not leave the canvas blank. Let us choose to paint it with bold colors of hope, hard work, and relentless dedication. Let us leave no room for regret, knowing that we did everything we could in our time to create a world worthy of those people who will follow us. Let us embrace this responsibility with optimism and determination. Let us remember every single day that the power to change the world, to shape our collective destiny, is not out there somewhere. It is right here in our minds, in our hearts, and in our hands. So, guys, let us never be afraid to take action because Every small step we take today will shape our future. Let's study hard and excel. Embrace technology wisely. Avoid negative influences like drugs or harmful social behavior. Cultivate leadership skills and a sense of responsibility. Contribute to society and work toward a just and prosperous nation. So we can build a more glorious and prosperous Indonesia. This is the end of my speech today. I hope you can take a good lesson from what I do for today. I ask forgiveness for any words and behaviors which are not supposed to be. Thank you for your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.